Kenneth Hahn State Recreational Park is located in Baldwin Hills. The park is a little over 387 acres, and it is located in the middle of urban Los Angeles. The machinery used to extract the oil from the grounds creates hot temperatures in the Earth's crust. Combining the pressure from the oil drillings and the temperatures causes the rocks to shift in the Earth's crust, creating the hills in the park. Part of the Kenneth Hahn State Park was built above the ground that was once the Baldwin Hills Dam. The dam collapsed in 1963, washing away residents in the canyon and flooding the landmark Baldwin Hills. Many houses were destroyed and 5 people were killed.
In class, we discussed different types of minerals and rocks. There are a few rocks that you can find in this park, and they are sedimentary rocks, such as limestone, mudstone, siltstone, and sandstone. The only metamorphic rock that there is here is slate. Sedimentary rocks are types of rocks that are formed by the disposition of material at the Earth's surface and within bodies of water. Sedimentary rocks can be clastic or non-clastic, meaning that clastic is a texture in which there are different particles in a rock, such as minerals, fossils, leaves, shells, sand, clay, rocks, and more. Non-clastic is when rock is only made by one particle. The first sedimentary rock that you can find here is limestone. Limestone can either be clastic or non-clastic, but the ones that you can find here is non-clastic because it is crystalline. This type of sedimentary rock could have originated from the dam that collapsed in 1936, as previously mentioned. A fun fact about limestone is that it is used for cement. The second sedimentary rock is sandstone. Sandstone has a clastic texture. The clast is mostly quartz and feldspar. Quartz and feldspar are minerals. Quartz are white and feldspar are mainly pinkish. The third sedimentary rock is mudstone. Mudstone has a texture that is very fine-grained and cannot be seen with the naked eye. Mudstone is formed off of clay minerals together with quartz, feldspar, and mica. The last sedimentary rock is siltstone. Siltstone has a fine-grained sediment. This rock contains more quartz than mudstone or shale. Now for the metamorphic rock. The metamorphic rocks are formed through heat, pressure, and chemical active fluids. Slate is a metamorphic rock that you can find here. Slate has a foliated texture. Foliation refers to any planar arrangements of minerals, grains, or structural features with a rock. Foliation forms through rotation, recrystallization, and change in shape. This rock can be identified easily because it looks like the same material that blackboards are made of.
In class, we learned that earthquakes occur along fault lines. Fault lines, sections where rocks are broken and displaced. The different types of faults we learned about were strike slip, dip slip, normal, reverse, and thrust fault. These faults can be found in the Earth's interior and can cause the Earth to change. The geological structure that was affected by a fault was the Baldwin Hills Dam, now known as the Kenneth Hahn Park. As you can see, there is a bowl which was left from the collapse of the dam. A historical moment in Los Angeles, California in 1963 was when the dam collapsed. In 1951, there was a $10 million project to build a dam that would supply local residents with water. According to a historical channel clip on engineering disasters, the investigators believe that the collapse occurred not only due to the design of the dam, but because it was constructed along 400 feet from a large fault line. In the clip, it was expressed that the designers underestimated the magnitude of the movements that would occur across the faults.
In class, we learned about relative and absolute dating. Relative dating is placing rocks or events in their proper sequence of formation. Absolute dating is specifying the actual number of years. Due to relative dating, researchers believe that the deformation of Kenneth Hahn area occurred millions of years ago. According to Kenneth Hahn State Recreational Area General Plan Amendment, Kenneth Hahn State Recreational Park location was formed 10 to 26 million years ago, and it's still forming. This place location was formed during the middle of the Miocene time, and it's still forming. This deformation resulted in the formation of many oil traps such as the Inglewood oil fields. Processes of both folding and faulting have contributed to the uplift of this chain. In Baldwin Hills, the primary anticlinal fold structure has been modified by faulting, especially by lateral and dip-slip displacement along the Inglewood Fault, which bisects the hills, or Kenneth Hahn. The two types of faults associated with the Inglewood and Newport Fault are the strike-slip and dip-slip fault. Strike-slip is when the crust moves in a horizontal position, and dip-slip fault is when there is a vertical movement. Anticlinal folds is a type of fold in which the surface is unfolded or arched. Strike-slip fault, dip-slip fault, and anticlinal faults cause this location of Kenneth Hahn Park to be a huge hill or a huge mountain.